6:46 in the morning, crack of dawn, and now I'm yawning. Wipe the coal out my eye. See who's this paging me and why? It's my nigga Pop from the barbershop. Told me he was in the gambling spot and heard the intro clip pop. Some niggas wanna stick you like flypaper, neighbor. Slow down, love, please chill, drop the caper. Remember those niggas from the hill up in Brownsville that you rolled dice with? Smoked the blunts and got a nice whip? Yeah, my nigga Fame up in Prospect. Now them niggas not in love, won't disrespect. Yo, he wasn't talking about my nigga Fame, but shout out to Biggie Smalls. Happy birthday, Biggie. Yo, Biggie was that dude, man. And since it's Throwback Thursday, I decided to give a picture of Biggie Smalls when he was a little kid. Oh, but check out the alligator on the shirt back in the days. He was fly back then. You know what I was just thinking? I was thinking that, we got a lot to thank Big for. Like, Big helped bring back hip-hop back in the East Coast back then, you know what I'm saying? And also, you fat guys really need to be thanking him because it made it cool to be fat like you motherfuckers. And now you guys are in just like light-skinned people was in the 80s. Anyway, shout out to Biggie Smalls. Happy birthday, Big. We love you, man. 16 bars is open. And all you fat guys need to be jumping around and motherfucking giving thanks for Biggie. Baby, baby. Peace.